Hello people, welcome again to my channel Math is Fun. In my previous video, I had informed you all that I'll be explaining different mathematical concepts. So today, I will be discussing about some basic concepts in geometry. Do you know the word geometry comes from two Greek words, geo meaning earth and metria meaning measuring. So let's get started. First, let's start with this. This is called a point. A point is just a location. It does not have any length, breadth or depth. It is shown as a dot. The next term is collinear points. What are collinear points? Three or more points in a straight line are called collinear points. Co means together and linear means in a line. So the name itself suggests that collinear points are in a straight line. Now the next term is non-collinear points. As you can see in the figure that these 3 points are not in a straight line. So 2 of them are in a straight line, the other one is above the 2 lines. They are called non-collinear points. Now let's get back to collinear points once again. I would like to explain the terms line, ray and line segment. I'd like to tell you about how line segment, ray are different from each other. Now let's look at each of them. First is a line. So what is a line? A line is a group of collinear points that extends infinitely in both directions. That means, you see the figure out there. There is a line called PQ. And there is an arrow on both the sides, on the side of the P and on side of Q. The arrow indicates that this line extends on both the direction. So it does not have a fixed magnitude. It goes on expanding till they reach the end of the plane. I think this is clear. Okay, let's go to ray. Ray is a portion of a line which starts at a point and extends infinitely in one direction. You can see there are 2 rays, AB. The AB ray starts at A and extends towards B, that is towards your right hand side, infinitely. The point of origin is A because the ray starts from A. Now let's go to the next one. The point of origin of the next ray is B and it goes on extending infinitely towards A or your left hand side. Now how do you name a ray? There is a very common mistake that students do when they name the ray. So how to name the ray? The name of the ray should start from the point of origin. That means in the first diagram, the ray's name would be AB because it starts from A, and in the second one the name of the ray is BA. So don't make this mistake of naming a ray the other way around. Is it clear to you? Now let's go to line segment. Line segment is a part of a line which has 2 distinct endpoints. It starts at one point and ends at the other. You can see in this figure there are 2 dots, A and B. So the line segment starts from A and ends at B. That means it is finite. You can measure a line segment. But can you measure a line or a ray? No, you cannot measure because it keeps on extending infinitely. One in both the direction and one in one direction. You remember the story of Hanuman's tail in Ramayana, which kept on extending infinitely? In the same way, line and ray extends infinitely. Now I hope you are all very clear about line, ray and line segment. Okay, now let's come to the last part of today's video. That is angle. What is an angle? Angle is formed by 2 rays which meet at a common end point. Now you see the angle AOB. There are 2 rays which make up this angle, OA and OB, and they meet at the point O. An angle has a vertex and 2 arms. Here the meeting point is called the vertex. Here O is a vertex and the arms are OA and OB. With this, I sum up my video for the day. Before I end the video, I'd like to ask you a question. The question is, how many lines can be drawn through a single point and how many can be drawn through 2 points? If you know the answer, please drop it in my comment section. In my next video, I will give you the answer to this question and give you some more concepts in geometry. So stay tuned and don't forget our equation, learning into fun minus fear is equal to our channel. Math is fun. Bye.